So we are going to start with Hypericum purpuratum. Okay. Hypericum basically it is the remedy for your exam, but this is really basic remedy for a pain. Okay. And whenever we understand about the pains, first of all we go through the arnica, then Belisper, and one of the most important remedy for injuries or pain is your Hypericum. So the plant is look like this. Okay, this is your plant which look like Hypericum. This is a flower. Okay, in this picture you can see these leaves and these flowers. Okay, so what you need to prepare this remedy is the tincture of fresh blooming plants with flowers. Okay, so whenever we need to use this blooming plants with flowers, we can whenever there is a blooming season, at that time we can prepare this remedy. The common name St. John's Wood, family Hypericaceae. Okay, so this is Hypericaceae and family is Hypericaceae, where proven it has been proven by Dr. C.H. Herring. Okay, you know Herring who had proven also lachesis, which is really poisonous snake, and because of that he had lot many problems in his life. Okay, this hypericum, as I told you, this is basic remedy for your pains. Okay, so habitat, when you are going to understand habitat, it is commonly found in Europe, Asia, and now grown worldwide. Okay, so nowadays it has been seen everywhere, but most of the time it has been seen in Europe and Asia. Okay, so we'll move further. So tiny holes visible when the leaf is held to the light are actually transparent oil glands containing a chemical known as hypericin. Okay, so there are tiny holes which has been there are tiny holes which are being seen when you are going to leave when you are going to hold that leaf of the hypericum plant under the light, you will get that tiny holes, and you will get that oil glands which contains a chemical which is known as hypericin. Okay, so these characteristic holes inspired the species name as perforatum. Okay, now when you understand about hyporicum perforatum, now perforatum basically come from this specific appearance of that plant. Okay, now the appearance, when you try to understand this appearance, when it came in a picture, it has been seen that there are holes in that leaves which will give you the appearance of which will give that appearance, specific appearance, which look like the holes. So perforatum is came from the perforated. Okay, which is Latin word, came from perforated. Okay, so that is Latin word perforated, which gives this remedy name as a hypericum perforatum. So perforatum came from there. Okay, so you can understand its doctrine of signature, you can understand its basic naming where it came from. So it has been came from here. Okay, so now Saint John's Wort, sometimes called Devil's Flight or Grace of God, was believed to contain magical properties that ward of evil spirit. Okay, so this has been understand as Devil's Flight or Grace of a God because the magical properties. But now we said it as a magical properties, but mm, those are nothing but that medicinal properties. Okay, the herb was traditionally gathered or on a midsummer eve or June this June 23rd. This date was later celebrated in a Christian church at the eve of the feast day of Saint John the Baptist. This folk custom gave the plant its popular name, that Anglo-Saxon word what means medicinal herbs. Okay. Now try to understand. This is nothing but your doctrine of signature, how it has been came, how it has been uh, seen in the entire world. Now, this medicinal plant itself, it has that specific medicinal properties which has been came in the society as a culture. Okay, so it has been came and it has been came as a culture and it has been celebrated as a culture. Okay, so and as it was saying that it was seen as a magical properties, but so many medicinal properties are there in this remedy. Okay, we'll move towards the next slide. uh, Now, sphere of actions, that is nervous system, mainly on spinal cord and brain. Okay, so nervous system is mainly affected over here, where spinal cord and brain has been affected. Okay, now it will cause irritation of a spinal cord, and now producing vesicular iridescence and congestion. Okay, it will causes the irritation of spinal cords and nerves, which produces vesicular iridescence, uh, erythema. Okay, basically it leads to erythema and congestion. Okay, vesicles get formed, okay, due to spinal cord spinal cord, you can say congestion. Okay, now we'll move towards the clinical part of this remedy. There are bruises, there are cons, diarrhea, headache, hemorrhoids, paralysis, neuralgia, rheumatism, sciatica, and toothache. Okay, so this remedy is used in bruises, where bruises has been seen, where cons has been seen. Diarrhea, this is again indicated remedy in diarrhea, headache, hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids, especially pain, are really very problem. Okay? Pain are really very intense. Then rheumatism, again this remedy where you will get that typical pain. Okay, now in next lecture we are in this lecture, in further lecture we will understand how this pain has been occurred in this remedy. Okay, there is sciatica especially where hypericum is specific remedy for your sciatica. Okay, there is toothache, and hence further, this remedy is really indicated where pains are intolerable. Okay. Then causation. How this remedy, in which type of causes this remedy will work. Okay. There is mechanical injuries of a spinal cord. Whenever there is mechanical injury of the spinal cord, it will lead to a lot. It will lead to a problems. There is spinal concussions, falls on coccyx. Okay, whenever patient falls on coccyx, it will lead to a pain, and all those type of pain will lead to will indicate your hypericum. Okay, there are injuries. Then rat bite is also there. Okay. Now we will understand keynote of this remedy. Keynote, injuries of the parts reached and centered in nerves. It means, for example, the parts in which nerves are in abundant amount, in which part injuries has been occurred, and nerves become really very sensitive. In those type of injuries, you have to use this remedy. Injuries to nerve attended by a great pain. Okay, there are lot many pain. Now the next is important line for your keynote. There is punctured, incised, contused, or lacerated wounds when pains are extremely severe, and particularly if there are long duration. Okay, so punctured wound, there is incised wound, there is you can say that lacerated wound, whenever nerves are going to be cut. Okay, when nerves are going to be cut, at that time when there is a nerve injury, at that time you can use this remedy very frequently. And especially pains are extremely severe, lot of pain, and particularly if they are of a long duration. Okay, whenever long duration is there, you have to use this remedy. And severe pain. So sciatica is again a condition where pain are severe and it can be for a long time. Okay, so in this remedy, you have to use this. You have to understand this pathogenesis, this particular pathogenesis. Okay, pain like those of severe toothache. Now try to understand pain of a toothache. Okay, that is really very severe. In such type of pain, you can use this hypericum. There is piercing wound, feel very sore from threading of nails and needles. Okay, and this is important for your understanding that pains, piercing wounds feel very sore. There is a lot of soreness from threading of nails and needles. Okay, then tetanus and lockjaw after traumatic injury. This is important remedy. Okay, this is important remedy in your day-to-day practice. Whenever I use this remedy, most of the time, yes. Hello, any problem, guys? Can,
Ma'am.
can you listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
मैम वो लास्ट स्लाइड में जो
Last slide में what happened?
मैम वो उसमें लास्ट स्लाइड में ना थ्रेडिंग फ्रॉम नेल्स एंड नीडल्स उसका मतलब क्या?
उसका मतलब ये होता है बेटा, जैसे कि आप नेल्स में नीडल्स okay, 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 let me talk, guys. Threading from nails and needles means as if you are going to remove your nail from its nail bed. Okay, and it has been sew with the needles. Okay, such type of tremendous pain. Try to understand that intensity of pain. Okay, it has been told by our masters that such type of severe pain are there in the hypericum. Did you got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now it is my request that you please be mute, okay, so that I can tell you the things, and if anyone has any query, you can get yourself unmute and you can ask me the queries, okay. Meanwhile, you should not talk so that I can concentrate on this lecture and you also can understand the things. Got it? Okay. So we will move further. So there are effects of nervous shock. There is consequences of spinal concussion, especially spine injuries, traveling, stones, fall, and labor. Okay, so talking about this keynote, I was talking about tetanus and lockjaw after traumatic injury. I was talking about when I use this hypericum. Many a time I use hypericum whenever there is a open injury and where patient has not taken any doses or any vaccination for tetanus. Okay, and at that time, if patient has not taken any vaccine and if I couldn't give him vaccine on a time, at that time for that sake, I give him hypericum. And afterwards, when patients can or when I am able to give him vaccine, at that time I give it. Okay, many a time what happened in my clinic, what happened? I had not kept fridge, and this tetanus toxoid vaccine you need to keep it in a fridge. Okay, so when I am not able to give that patient vaccine, I gave him a doses of hypericum so that I can prevent that tetanus toxoid that tetanus for a while, and then I again vaccinate that patient. Okay. Now there is consequences of spinal concussion. There is effect of nervous shock and consequences of spinal concussion. Now, when you talk about spinal concussion, many a time when you travel on a bike or when you travel on a especially two wheelers, at that time you will get that continuous concussion to your spinal cord. Okay, there is continuous. If roads are not really very proper, you are going to get continuous movement of your spine, which leads to a spinal injury, which can leads to pain in your back. Okay, in those cases, you can use this remedy, and it is having a great result. Okay, there is headache after fall, especially ameliorated by bending backwards. Okay, then vertigo with sensation as if head elongated, lifted into the air. Okay, vertigo. Sensation of vertigo is really very important. Okay, when patient tell you such type of sensation, you can prescribe remedy in a minute. Vertigo with sensation as if head if elongated and lifted into the air. There is bunions and corns with excruciating pains showing nerve involvement. Whenever corns occur, okay, I don't know you have seen a patient of corn or not, but corns are really very painful conditions. Okay, and you really cannot walk when you are having painful corns. Okay, I told you about anti-include, that is again a great remedy for that corns. And then bunions, it is nothing but a bony lump that form on a joint at the base of your big toe. Okay, at the base of your big toe there is a bony lump. Okay, so you will understand that that you are understanding this condition. Huh? So, so if there is such painful condition where nerve has been involved, you can use this remedy very properly. Then injuries. Injuries, there are types of injury. There is incised wound caused by knife or glass. Okay. Then lacerated wounds, which caused in road accidents. Wounds are having jags. Okay, jagged edges. Okay. So wounds are not having proper edges as you are having proper edges in your surgical wounds. Okay. Other wounds which are having jagged edges with certain laceration and a devitalized structure inside the wound. Okay, so inside the wounds there is problem. There is problem means structure has been disturbed. The wounds having jagged lacerations or jagged edges. There is certain laceration, and in such cases you have to understand. Okay, you have to understand. In such painful wounds, you have to use this remedy. There is penetrating wounds, deep incised wounds. Okay, then crushed wounds occur due to industrial road traffic and wars. Okay, it is excellent remedy involving nerves, mechanical injuries of spinal cord, bad effects of spinal concussions, pain after falls on pockets, and injuries from threading of nails, needles, pin, and splinters and rapine. Okay. Now understand the whole hypericum is going to act on your spine or your brain. Everywhere there is pain and pain. Okay. There can be lacerating, there can be punched out, there can be a continuous pricking type of pain. Okay, there is nervous depression following wound or surgical operation, removed bad effect of shock or fright. I have seen one case that a lady has had an accident while just after her delivery, within 1.5 months, she had gone to some medical store, and she asked for some medicines. Okay, and while coming home, she had fall from bike, and she was having certain plaster, certain fracture, and she was having some plasters on that, and she was so much depressed that she said that I was crying continuously because of that fracture, because I feel that I cannot stand properly. Okay, or I cannot walk properly in my future life. And such type of nervous depression will lead to a lot many problems. Okay, but this our homeopathic remedy have the great effect in this remedy. Okay, uh, especially in this remedy, you can use this remedy in such cases where you will understand that remedy can really act magically. They always modify and sometimes erase the ulceration and slitting, crushed, mashed finger tips of tetanus after traumatic injury. Okay, so this remedy always modified something erased ulcerations and sloughing. Means sometime what happen? Ulceration state come up in a wound, that ulceration is there, and now now the progression or recovery is not occurring. Okay, and it has been just ulcerated and there is a sloughing. You will get that sloughing and you are trying to remove it, and again ulcer is forming and you cannot cover that one. In such cases you can use this hypericum. There is crushed mashed fingertips or tetanus after traumatic injury. You can use this remedy in this type of cases. Okay, there is punctured incised or lacerated wounds which are very sore and painful. Okay. Yes. Yes. Anyone want to ask something? Okay. There are punctured, incised, or lacerated wounds which are very sore and painful. Okay. So much of soreness and painfulness. Now you just know single remedy or used for a pain, that is your arnica. But hypericum, Velispar are the remedy for injuries and pains. Okay. Injuries of parts which are reached in sentient nerves such as fingers, toes, then masses of nails and matrices of nails and palms and soles. Try to understand it. Whenever you understand your anatomy, in that you will understand there are abundant amount of nerve present in certain parts. Okay, that can be your finger or your toes. Okay, in such part, if you get any type of injury, you will feel lot of pain. Okay, and you can use for such type of pain you can use this remedy, that is your hypericum corporatum. Okay, there are convulsions and spasm after injuries, glow or concussions, especially of heads. Okay, there is violent pain and inability to walk. These people really cannot walk very fastly. There is feeling of weakness and because of pain. Okay, and inability to walk. When I was studying, I got a patient. I was studying means I was doing my PG at that time. I got a patient who cannot walk. Okay, she was having such type of inability to walk. She need to hold something and then only she can walk. Okay, she always needs something for support. Okay, so she was coming in OPD by holding the wall. Okay, and on by understanding that inability to walk, my teacher said just give her hypericum and she'll be better. And we decided to give that hypericum and she was really better within a week. Okay, so inability to walk. Understand the depth of these words. Huh? It is just not a written literature over here. These are nothing but the experiences which has been understood, which has been experienced by our masters and by our parents. There are feeling of weakness and trembling of all limbs and numbness of crampy feeling. Okay? Feeling of weakness and trembling of all limbs and numbness and cramping feeling. Try to understand. Continuous weakness, there is trembling, there are tremors of all limbs, all the limbs. It can be upper limb, it can be lower limb. Numbness, there is lot of numbness and cramping feeling. Continuous cramp. Try to understand the feeling. There is lot of cramp, there is numbness, there is weakness, and there is trembling. And such type of pain is there. In such cases, patient really cannot walk. Okay, so there is violent pain and inability to walk. Spine is very sensitive to touch after fall. You cannot touch that spine. Patient screams and cries with the pain. I don't know you have seen such condition or not. Patient really cries with the pain. Now general modalities: cold damp weather aggravates, then fog aggravates, in closed room condition get aggravated, and touch aggravates lot. Tell me another remedy in which pain get aggravated by touch, or patient feel that bed is so hard that he feels sore and bruised, and he feels so sensitive that he feels bed is really very hard. He should not sleep on a bed. Tell me that remedy. Hello, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
yeah, okay, which is the remedy for pain when touch aggravates the condition and patient feel that bed is so much hard that he is so sensitive that he feel that bed is really very hard. chamomilla नहीं बेटा जी, chamomilla नहीं. Chamomilla is the aconite also nahi. It is the chamomilla aconite are the remedy for your pain. You are really close enough, but the remedy is your arnica. Okay. Nux bhi nahi. It is your arnica. Okay. Amelioration, bending head backward. Then you can understand or you can compare this remedy with Arnica, Calendula, Ruta, and Staphysaria. It gets antidoted by arsenic and it antidotes sulfur. Okay, so this is all about relationship. We had talked about almost all parts of the your hypericum. Okay, so anyone has any query or should I revise all these things? Hello, anyone has any query?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll revise it again. Okay. So Hypericum perforatum. This is remedy for your injuries and pains. Injury of especially your nerve injury, and you can see picture of a Hypericum perforatum flower. Okay, so flower look like this. If you are going to hold this flowering plant's leaf towards the light, you will feel that there are punctured or there is perforation. So this remedy has been named as Hypericum perforatum. Common name St. John's wort, family Hypericaceae, prover Dr. Herring. Okay. Parts of tincture of fresh blooming plants with flowers. Habitat, it's seen in Europe and Asia. Now it grown worldwide. Okay, so there are tiny holes visible when the leaf is held to the light, are actually transparent oil glands containing a chemical known as hypericin. These are characteristic hole inspired the species name, that is perforatum, which is the word Latin word perforated. Okay, so Saint John's wort, sometimes called as a devil's flight or grace of God, was believed to contain magical properties that ward of evil spirit. Okay, so this is nothing but this line is nothing but about the medicinal properties. Okay. So the herb was traditionally gathered on midsummer, say June 23. So later on, this was seen as this was celebrated in a Christian church as the eve of the feast. Okay, so this culture has been from thereafter. Now, sphere of actions, especially nervous system, mainly on your spinal cord and brain. Then pathogenesis, it causes irritation of spinal cord and nerve. It produces a very vesicular iridescence and congestion. Clinically, it has been used for bruises, burns, diarrhea, headache, hemorrhoids, paralysis, neuralgia, rheumatism, sciatica, and toothache. Causation is really very important. That is mechanical injuries of spinal cord, spinal concussions, falls on pockets, injuries, and rat bite. Okay. Keynote injuries of the parts reaching sentient nerves. It means wherever there is abundant amount of nerves has been seen. Okay, it can be your finger, it can be your palm, or it can be your soles. Okay. Uh, there is punctured, incised, contused or lacerated wound. When pain are extremely severe, wherever there is pain are extremely severe, particularly if there is a long duration, you can use this remedy. It is the remedy for your tetanus toxoid. Okay. Many homeopaths use this remedy as some substitute for tetanus toxoid. Vaccination, but specifically we should not. I really use this remedy for pains. Okay, pains in the injuries. Pain like those of severe toothache, piercing wound feel very sore from threading of nails and needles. tetanus and lockjaw after traumatic injury. There is effects of nervous shock, consequences of spinal compression. So this is again a remedy for your back pain, especially in people who use bike or two-wheeler for their travels. Okay, there is a headache after fall, which ameliorated by bending backward. A vertigo with sensation as if a head as if elongated and lifted into the air. There is bunions and corns with excruciating pains showing nerve involvement. Types of injury, there are incised wound, there are lacerated wound, where edges are really very jagged edges with certain laceration, and there is especially wounds which has been seen in a road accident. Okay, there is penetrating wound, there is a crush wound. Then again, it is excellent remedy for
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes. Yes.
मैम थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोल दो ना
Okay.
थोड़ा
Okay. ओके सो ये रेमेडी आपको पता है, ये आप प्रूविंग किसने किया है, इसका हेरिंग ने इसका प्रूविंग किया है। इसके फ्रेश प्लांट को यूज किया जाता है, फ्रेश ब्लूमिंग प्लांट्स विद फ्लावर्स। इट मींस पूरा का पूरा प्लांट लिया जाता है जिसमें फ्लावर्स भी आ चुके हैं, जिसमें फूल लगे हैं, ऐसे पूरा का पूरा प्लांट यूज किया जाता है, जो स्पेशली यूरोपियन कंट्रीज और एशिया में दिखाई देता था। नाउ डेज वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में दिखाई देता है। अगर आप इसका लीफ लाइट के थ्रू देखते हो तो उसमें आपको छोटे छोटे होल्स नजर आएंगे। सो परफोरेटेड मीन्स उसमें कुछ ना कुछ होल्स है। ओके, so perforatum word is come from their perforated. This plant has really magical or medicinal properties. Okay, म्हणजे ज्यावेळी मीन्स जिस टाइम पे ये प्लांट यूज किया जाता था उस टाइम पे इट वाज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज। सो इसको बहुत ज्यादा कल्चर में, इसको बहुत ज्यादा उस कल्चर में इम्पोर्टेंट माना है। ओके, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट प्लांट है उन लोगों के लिए। सो वो बाद में क्रिश्चियन चर्च में उसका गैदर्ड का जो टाइम था उसमें फीस्ट ऑफ द इट वाज यूज्ड एज द ईव ऑफ द फीस्ट डे, ऐसे माना गया। सो ये कस्टम, ये कल्चर वहां से चलता आता है। ओके, इसका मेन स्फीयर ऑफ एक्शन है नर्वस सिस्टम, स्पेशली योर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। ओके, देन पैथोजेनेसिस, अगर आप पैथोजेनेसिस देखते हो तो ये इरिटेट करता है। इरिटेशन क्या होता है, किसका होता है इरिटेशन? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का। एंड नर्व्स व्हिच प्रोड्यूसेस वेसिकुलर इरिटेशन एंड कंजेशन, वहां पे कंजेशन हो जाता है। ओके, there are bruises, there are corns, there are diarrhea, headache, hemorrhoid, paralysis, neuralgia, rheumatism, sciatica and toothache। स्पेशली योर दांतों का दर्द, दांतों के दर्द में ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रेमेडी। अगेन मैकेनिकल इंजुरीज ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, यू कैन यूज दिस रेमेडी स्पेशली इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लुक टुवर्ड्स द पोजीशन। कॉज क्या होता है? मैकेनिकल इंजुरीज ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, स्पाइनल कंकशन। स्पाइनल कंकशंस मतलब क्या? कंटिन्यूस उसको ये हो रहा है, कंटिन्यूस छोटे इंजुरीज हो रहे हैं। मतलब आई कॅनॉट एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी, बट मराठीमध्ये सांगते, ज्या वेळेला खूप हादरे बसत असतात, ज्या वेळेला तुम्ही कंटिन्युअस जर्किंग इज कंटिन्युअस। ओके, so such spinal concussions are there. There is fall on pockets or injuries or rat bite, injuries of the parts in which sentient in nerves। it means जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा नर्व्स कलेक्शन है, जहाँ पे अबंडेंट बहुत सारे अमाउंट में नर्व्स है, अगर उस पार्ट में इंजुरी होती है तो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा पेन हो जाएगा। तो इन सच कंडीशन यू कैन यूज दिस रेमेडी। Okay, there is vertigo with sensation as if head has been elongated and lifted into the air. This is your 2-mark question. Vertigo with sensation as if head is elongated and lifted into the air. There is bunions on cords with excruciating pain showing nerves involvement. Okay. Again, this is great remedy for your nerves, mechanical injuries of spinal cord, bad effects of spinal concussions, pain after falls on pockets, injuries from threading of nails, needles, pins, splinter, or a rat bite. Okay, so spine is important in this remedy. Nervous depression following wounds or surgical operations. Okay, remove bad effect of shock and fright. It always modified something arrested ulceration and sloughing. जहाँ पे अल्सरेशन फॉर्म होता है, जहाँ पे इंजुरीज में अल्सरेशन फॉर्म होता है, जहाँ पे स्लपिंग होता है, जहाँ पे उसके ऊपर कुछ ऐसे लेदरी स्लफ आ जाता है, which you need to remove, और जो रिमूव नहीं होता है, in such condition you have to use this remedy and it will really modify, it will really give that progression of recovery very fastly. Okay, so this remedy is used for punctured, incised or lacerated wounds which are very sore and painful. Then injuries to parts which are rich in sentient nerve, which such as fingers, toes, palms and soles and matrices of nails, everything. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, जहाँ पे भी नर्व्स बहुत ज्यादा है, वहाँ पे अगर इंजुरी हो जाती है तो यू हैव टू यूज हाइपेरिकम. ओके, योर अर्निका विल वर्क बट हाइपेरिकम विल वर्क वेरी फास्टली. देन कन्वर्जन्स एंड स्पाजम आफ्टर इंजुरी, blow or concussion, especially of head. There are violent pain and inability to walk. This patient really cannot walk because of the pain. Feeling of weakness and trembling of all limbs and numbness and cramping feeling. जहाँ पे बहुत वीकनेस है, जहाँ पे ट्रेमलिंग है, पेशेंट कांप रहा है, पेशेंट कैन नॉट वॉक, पेशेंट हैविंग लॉट ऑफ वीकनेस और बहुत ज्यादा नमनेस है, एंड क्रैम्पी फीलिंग, एंड देयर इज अ क्रैम्पी फीलिंग. Spine is very sensitive to touch after fall. You cannot touch his spine. Okay, so touch or for pain or for soreness or this again remedy is your arnica. Then there are general modalities, aggravation from cold and feather, fog, in closed room due to touch, amelioration by bending head backward. You can compare this remedy with calendula, ruta, staphylococcus aureus, antidote by arsenic, and antidoted by arsenic, and antidote sulfur. Okay, so this is all about this meeting. I will end it over here, and I'll send you the next link within 10 minutes.